Marcin, you are machine learning and MLOps expert, right? Can I ask you something about machine learning?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, because I was wondering what it actually is, machine learning. And I was thinking, because I have a dog and I train her to do some tricks, and I was thinking if training a machine has something common to training a dog. Because I train my dog and she sits and give me her paw. And how do you train your machines?
So if you work with the machine as a software engineer, you first write some instructions and then those instructions are performed by the computer to fill in some tasks. But in the machine learning world, you don't provide the explicit instruction. Instead, what you do is you take some data that is usually labeled to perform some tasks, and then machine learning algorithms crunch this data and try to come up with automatically created instruction set to perform these tasks for you.
Okay, so it's totally not like training a dog. Because, when I train a dog, I give her some treats to, give her motivation to train. So if I would train a machine, what this machine eats, so I could give machine a treat to motivate it to train.
Sure, so you need to first prepare a big pile of data that the computer can crunch on, and then if you specify the labels for this data alongside of it, and additionally you feed some electricity to your computer, then it will be able to execute the machine learning algorithm and train on your data and fulfill your task.
So to understand it better, let's go back to this dog allegory. And for example, I train my dog to sit and give me her paw, and this is maximum she can. So what's your machine can do?
Nowadays, there are plenty of tasks that the machine can do. You can, for example, take a machine to generate some images with pictures that you would like to have, like a coffee table made of avocado, for example, or you can give it some text and try to make a conversation with the machine, just like with the natural person.
So it's actually useless. Like I was thinking, so it's not like you can train your machine experts to bring you coffee to the table. It's not like this.
No, not at all.
I have to say, I'm a little bit disappointed.